In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screen record restricted apps and websites on your laptop using a simple method. This works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your laptop. I'll be using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you like. In the search bar, type Loom and press Enter. Open the official Loom website. Once the website opens, choose Get Loom for free. Make sure you select the Windows PC version. If you don't already have a Loom account, go ahead and sign up. If you already have one, simply log in. This may take a few seconds while Loom sets everything up. You can skip any optional setup steps or upgrade prompts for now. After logging in, you'll see an option to download the Loom desktop app. Click on it and let the app download. Once the download is complete, double-click the file and install Loom on your computer. After installation, open the Loom app. It will automatically connect to your account, and you'll see the Loom interface on your screen. Now, Loom is ready to use. Next, we'll fix the black screen issue that usually happens when recording restricted apps. Open Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner, and go to Settings. Scroll down and click on System. Here, turn off the option that says Use hardware acceleration when available. After turning it off, click Relaunch to restart Chrome. Once Chrome restarts, your settings are applied. Now open the Loom desktop app again, choose Screen Recording, and select Record a Window or Record Desktop, depending on what you want to capture. Next, open the restricted app or website you want to record. For example, this could be an app like Netflix or a restricted website that usually shows a black screen. Go back to Loom and click Start Recording. Loom is now capturing the restricted content successfully. When you're done recording, click Stop Recording. There, click on Download option, and you can download the video. And that's it. This is how you can screen record restricted apps and websites on a Windows laptop using Loom. By following these steps, you can record content that normally doesn't allow screen recording. Before we end this video, if you ever face issues where certain apps block recording or show restrictions, sometimes it's because of network or region limits. In those situations, using a fast, reliable, and secure VPN, like NordVPN, can really help. It keeps your connection private, runs smoothly in the background, and gives you stable speed so you don't face interruptions while recording. Alright, that's it for this video. This is how you complete the process. If you're interested in trying it out, check the link in the description.